Hi, kitty cats.
Hi, kitty cats.
I thought you wanted me to do it because you looked at me.
We're doing Ipsy today. Do you want to go first with your bag? I know, I was telling cat hair in the box.
I mean, these were on the floor for days and no family.
Yeah. It's been a rough month. Like,
Ooh.
everybody's been sick most of this month.
Ooh. I got something sexy.
What'd you get?
It's a Marvel bag.
That's pretty.
Oh shit.
Jeez. It's a pretty bag.
I like it.
I like the texture too.
And then I got something else that's really sexy. Are you ready?
Okay. A brush. Ooh, a fan brush.
You know, for my fans.
Let me see it.
I have a bunch of those.
It's a Luxie, which Luxie is like some of the best brushes. So.
Like if you think I took over my mom's YouTube channel.
Okay.
Cause I totally did. What else we got? We got I Can Be Venus.
They didn't give you a card this time or anything?
They did. They just, this time they didn't put it outside.
Yeah, usually it's on that side. Okay.
We got Bella Pierre Cosmetics.
Bella Pierre Cosmetics, yeah.
Liquid eyeshadow. I Can Be Venus.
In Venus. Full size would be $20.
This is not full size.
It looks full size.
It does look full size. Is this $20? Well, I can't open it, so that's a problem. You know, I'm vlogging, you can't do that. Ooh,
That's very pretty.
It's glittery.
Yeah.
Glittery? Is that the word? I don't know what's the word. The bird is the word.
And come on, focus. It's so glittery it doesn't want to focus.
It's fine, we'll just show an image of it.
Do you want to swatch it?
No,
No?
it's brand new. We do not swatch brand new things.
Yeah, we do. That's the whole point. Okay. Sorry, you don't get to see a swatch because I don't know why.
Wow, you're making me sound like a
Well,
B-I-T-C-H. Is that how you spell it?
Yes. That's very pretty. That's, now you're just being weird. That's not a swatch. That's just, you're painting your hand.
No, it's a swatch.
It's a big swatch.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, and now you're making it bigger.
No, I'm not. No, I'm saying that's the same size as the brush. It would be a swatch. What to do? It shimmers. That's all
Yes.
that matters. Look, see?
It's very,
focused.
very shiny.
Great, now I need to wash my hands.
That's what makeup wipes are for.
Too Faced Hangover.
Replenishing face primer. I actually really love that face primer.
It's funny because I just recently turned 21, but I didn't get a hangover.
No, she didn't.
Because I drank a lot of water.
Yeah, she was very good about drinking water between her drinks this weekend. What's that? Perlice?
Release Blue Lotus 4-in-1.
Cleansing milk.
Jimmy Blue.
Sorry, I'm so sniffly, guys. I'm still sniffly.
Removes makeup and soups. Oh, so it removes makeup. So I can use this to remove my makeup. And remove my face completely.
It's a cleansing milk. Okay,
I don't see a hangover.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, my face is too
Okay.
beautiful. What?
Just you're being really weird.
You're the one that wanted to do a video with me.
There you go.
It doesn't look focused to me.
I don't know why my camera is just not really into focusing today.
Hey, have you heard
Okay.
about that new girl next door?
This is Brooklyn Bailey Lash Next Door in black.
Oh, you do know her.
So it's a jet black mascara. And the price, the full size price is $18.
That scares me.
The Police cleansing milk is full size price is $36. The Luxie brush is $18. And the Too Faced Cosmetics Hangover Replenishing Face Primer is full price is $34. Which is why I never buy this
You
stuff.
messed it up.
I didn't mess it up, I just hit the camera thing. Yeah, it's just not wanting to focus today.
Oh, it's actually sticky.
Instead, it's like focusing around the item instead of at the item. Like, I don't know what's going on.
Hey.
What? Don't.
No, watch.
No, I don't want it on me.
Come on.
Okay, so it dried down. That's good. It's supposed to.
It is? Wait, I didn't show off the back.
She did. It's the first thing we did. Okay. So, here's your card. I got my card. And I also got some hangover stuff. It was an extra add-on that I had because
but did you
I love
get a
this
hangover?
No. I also got the Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in 01 I'll Be Black. I really don't need another liquid eyeliner. What is going on? There it goes. It focused on it.
I'll have it. I collect liquid eyeliners.
I know. But, sorry, my nose is itchy.
So I can have it?
Yeah. We got these pink milk masks, which I noticed a lot of people got these.
Ooh, fancy.
That have the box. The Duft and Dove pink milk masks. There's 6 of them, instead of 6. And their value is $14.99 for a set of 6. So,
You won't let me
that's
grab
not bad at all. Oh, and the eyeliner value is $11.99.
That's a lot nicer than mine.
We always say that. This is Nor's Skin Meditation Gel Cream. Fluctuating hormones, especially around your period, can make your skin super sensitive. Luckily, the soothing gel cream is here to help.
I need to borrow some of
It
that.
chill out. It's loaded with cooling peppermint oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid to give you soft, dewy skin. Sensitive skin needs protection. The value is $36.
Can I have the water?
You want this? Okay. Oh, somebody was eating your crunchies.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like peppermint oil stuff, so yeah, I'm probably gonna be giving it to her.
It's good for my period.
There you go.
Right?
Well, it's for your skin.
But it's especially good for...
When your skin's sensitive. And I got, of course, one of those bags too, but a bigger one.
It's nothing like mine.
And what'd you just...
It's my thing, don't worry.
Okay.
See,
Yeah,
different.
they're a little bit different, yeah.
Little.
They have the same pattern though.
In the
This one
back,
just has
it's the
half of
same.
it like this. I don't know.
You never really collect bags.
I don't. I think
You just
that
put it to
there's
the
just
side.
too many of them. Only if I really, really like it. So then I'm gonna show the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Oh, I like the packaging. That you just press down. It comes out here.
Oh, it's
Stem
the,
Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum.
Isn't that that oxygen
That's
stuff?
exciting. No.
That it keeps all the oxygen out, so whenever you squirt it, it never...
I don't know about that. I don't know anything about that. Juice Beauty, I've used their stuff before, and it's been pretty good.
It vacuum. It's a vacuum thing.
I'm not sure about that, but it seems like I'm getting, since I've gotten these boxes, it seems like I get more skincare than makeup, which actually I don't particularly care for. I'd rather get more makeup than skincare, because now I'm like overloaded with skincare stuff.
Don't you get to edit what you get?
Yeah, I can say something about it. And then last I have the Huda Beauty, which this is what Bianca picked out for me. When you get to choose the one item.
Oh right, I totally forgot that I picked that.
She chose one of these. These are smaller than I thought they were. The little Huda Beauty things.
Weren't you worried that I got you the other one?
She got me the Obsessions palette in Amethyst. So those are some nice colors. And I'm sure I'll do a look with them soon.
Because there's like a green or gray option. You didn't want me to pick it and you were worried that I picked it for you.
So the only thing I've ever used Huda Beauty was a liquid lipstick. So this will be my first time using any of their eyeshadows.
Don't tell anyone what I'm eating.
Okay. And that's everything. The Huda Beauty value would be $27, which that seems pretty good. I thought Huda was like way more expensive than that. $27 for this is like a really good deal.
I like how they use the same colors onto the diamond.
Yeah. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I got what was half in that box.
They could see what you're eating, by the way. You said don't tell them what I'm eating, but they could see what you're eating.
What am I eating?
Yeah, they could see it. So, anyways.
Write in the comments, what am I eating?
Thanks for watching. And please, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and all that
We will
stuff.
find you if you don't.
No. What? That's not happening. We're not threatening my audience. And
Oh, we all do that?
always remember to be kind, even when my daughter's being weird. Anyway, bye-bye, kitty cats.
When am I not weird?